Hello and welcome. You're watching NDTV 24/7. I'm Sonal Mehrotra Kapoor. Let's begin with the numbers that have just come in. And in just the past one day, 90,928 new cases have come up in the country. That takes the daily positivity rate to 6.43%, weekly positivity rate to 3.47%. Just yesterday, we reported roughly about 60,000 numbers. We're already at 90,900 and counting in a single day. That's how fast this virus is spreading. And Omicron numbers, well, at the moment we know them to be 2,630. But remember, we've been constantly saying this is just the tip of the iceberg, since our testing and genome sequencing is very, very slow, and a lot of states not even sending samples for testing as of this moment. Maximum tests and numbers have come out from states like Maharashtra, from Delhi, and at the moment coming also from cities and states like Gujarat, from Rajasthan as well, from Tamil Nadu as well, Kerala also reporting high number of those Omicron variants. Meher Pandey joins us for the very latest on this. Meher, if you look at the total numbers, a phenomenal rise that we continue to see in numbers day after day. Now, just to put this in perspective, this is not to create a panic at all, but just to say that yes, the numbers are rising exponentially, but because we are vaccinated and this variant has been milder, as you've also been pointing out, the number of beds being occupied in hospital has not gone up in the same proportion, say, compared to Delta. But this is only going to rise further, as doctors are indicating to you. And the big worry then at the moment of doctors themselves staying out of hospitals now, because we've seen cluster after cluster of doctors in Delhi, in Mumbai now test positive.
Yes, Sonal, so now cases are rising exponentially. The rate of increase is actually faster than it was in the Delta variant in the second wave. Yesterday, Dr. V.K. Paul said that India's R value, which is the number of people each person infected with the virus, is actually now 2.69. So each person infected with the virus is actually giving it to more than 2 people per person. Now this is an average number, but it shows you how much more we can expect the pandemic to spread. Over 1 is a matter of concern, but over 2 is really a matter of concern, of course. We do also need to be looking at hospitalization. Right now, hospitalization levels, early indications show that this may be lower than it was for the Delta variant. The Omicron variant is supposed to be a milder form of the disease, but we cannot afford to get complacent, because already we've seen in Mumbai hospitalization has increased. Delhi also is seeing an increase in hospitalization. So the ministry also warning that complacency cannot set in. There is some hope, because it might not be as severe, but it is still a very transmissible variant and can reach people who are comorbid, who are elderly, who will still be vulnerable to such a disease. Now, in the last 24 hours, there's been a 56% increase in cases, which is massive. It does show there is an exponential increase in cases. And positivity rate again has jumped massively. In the last 24 hours, positivity was 6.43%. This is almost double the weekly positivity, which gives you an indication of how fast positivity is increasing day by day. Now, if we look at localized information, the ministry has said that it is an urbanized virus right now. It is the major metros where this virus is spreading, and spreading very fast. In the last week, there are 28 districts that reported weekly test positivity of over 10%. And this is up from just 8 last week. So it shows you how fast more and more districts are reporting very high test positivity. More people are testing positive. 43 districts reported weekly test positivity between 5 and 10%. This is up from 14 last week. But many of these cases can be home isolated. This is why there's been new guidelines released on home isolation patients, which do apply to even patients who test positive for Omicron. Now, they will need to be monitored very carefully, because this is a new variant. We need to be sure of their safety, and comorbid and elderly patients will need to be hospitalized. So there is a lot to be concerned about. and we cannot put our guard down.
Absolutely. And the health ministry, they're saying so far it is an urbanized virus, but we know when in a country like India, when there is so much of travel that actually takes place, it is a matter of time before it spreads. The way especially this virus is spreading, that it gets to our rural centers as well. Thanks, Meher, for joining us for the very latest.